Hello my dear pharmacy friends, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. My dear friends, there are vacancies in FDC Ltd, Kolbud, Baddi district, Salon, Himachal Pradesh. So coming to the walk-in interview schedule, these are going to be held on 29 and 2nd August. So 29 is already over. On 2nd August you can attend from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. So the department wise vacancies per production officer, the area is manufacturing, qualification B.Pharma M.Pharm. 6 vacancies are there, 2 to 4 years of experience. For production officer or executive, QMS or compliance, same qualification, 1 year experience. For production operator, MFG, dry syrup filling, 12th or ITI. For QC officer, HPLC or testing. For QA officer or executive, IPQA, B.Pharm or M.Pharm, 2 to 8 years of experience. So you can contact the following person. The numbers are provided here. Senior officer HR, they require only Himachal male candidates only, so local candidates are preferred for this job. It is mentioned on the job information, so please utilize the opportunity, my dear local candidates. So thank you for watching. For job updates like this, subscribe to Pharma Job Alert and please hit the like button and help us reach more people.